Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is best top 2 coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. Top 1, the 2004 France 5 euro cent coin, including its design, composition, historical context, and more. This is written in long paragraphs to provide a full, immersive overview. Overview and historical context. The 2004 France 5 euro cent coin is a small yet historically and economically significant piece of the euro currency system. Introduced as part of the euro coinage in 2002, this coin represents one of the lowest denominations in circulation. France, as one of the founding members of the European Union and a key participant in the Economic and Monetary Union, adopted the euro to replace the French franc. Though euro coins began circulating in 2002, the coins dated 2004 represent the third full year of France's euro coin mintage, making them part of the early post-introduction era. During this time, the European Union was expanding and the euro was becoming increasingly important as both a physical currency and a symbol of European unity. These coins, while often overlooked in daily use due to their small denomination, are integral to the seamless functioning of cash transactions in the Eurozone and carry both national and supranational symbolism. Design and symbolism. The reverse side of the 2004 France 5 euro cent coin, like all euro coins of this denomination regardless of issuing country, features a common European design created by Luc Louix, a designer from the Royal Belgian Mint. This side depicts a globe in the lower right quadrant showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia, symbolizing the euro's place in global commerce. 6 parallel lines cut diagonally behind the globe, each ending in a star representing the European Union's flag. The numeral 5 is prominently displayed, denoting the value in euro cents, with the words euro cent beneath it. This side is consistent across all member states and reflects the unity and integration of the Eurozone. The obverse, national, side of the 2004 French 5 euro cent coin features a design unique to France and created by Fabien Courchier, a graphic designer from the Monet de Paris. The imagery on this side is deeply symbolic and highly stylized. It depicts a young Marianne, the national emblem of the French Republic, wearing a Phrygian cap, a traditional symbol of liberty and revolution. She is shown in profile, facing right, with flowing hair that suggests forward motion and progressive ideals. The stylized rendering combines modern artistic elements with traditional republican imagery, reinforcing France's identity within the collective European framework. Surrounding her image are the 12 stars of the European Union, arranged in a circle, further emphasizing unity. To the right of Marianne are the letters RF, short for République Française, and beneath this, the year of mintage, 2004, is inscribed. The mint mark and the engraver's mark also appear subtly within the design, typically found near the edge or integrated into the artistic element's technical specifications. The 5 euro cent coin is composed of copper-covered steel, also known as copper-plated steel, which gives it a distinct reddish hue. This composition ensures durability, resistance to corrosion, and cost efficiency in mass production. The coin has a mass of 3.92 grams, a diameter of 21.25 millimeters, and a thickness of approximately 1.67 millimeters. Its edge is smooth, distinguishing it by touch from other denominations in the euro coin family. These physical characteristics are standardized across the Eurozone, which allows for compatibility with vending machines, parking meters, and other automated systems throughout Europe. While small in value, the coin's design and material choices reflect a balance between practicality and national pride. Circulation and usage. The 2004 5 euro cent coin was minted primarily for circulation, though uncirculated and proof versions may exist for collectors, typically issued in mint sets by Monet de Paris. As a circulating coin, it is legal tender not only in France but across all countries of the Eurozone, highlighting the strength of the monetary union. Despite its low purchasing power, often used for rounding prices or making exact change, the coin plays an important role in small-scale transactions and in maintaining pricing accuracy over time. These coins experience wear and tear, and although their intrinsic metal value is lower than their face value, their utility in commerce is essential collectability and market interest. From a numismatic perspective, the 2004 French 5 cent coin is generally considered common. Millions were minted for general circulation, and they are still readily found in everyday use. However, certain qualities can elevate its value for collectors. Coins in mint state condition, i.e., uncirculated and free from blemishes, especially those included in official mint sets, are more desirable. Variants with mint errors, misstrikes, or unique die characteristics might also attract collector interest. The 2004 edition does not have any widely known rare varieties, but condition and provenance can always impact a coin's individual worth. Collectors interested in building complete euro collections often seek coins from each member state and year, making even common coins like the 2004 French 5 cent an essential part of such a set. Conclusion. In summary, the 2004 France 5 euro cent coin is a small yet symbolically rich piece of modern European currency. It bridges the gap between national identity and continental unity through its dual design, one side emphasizing the shared European vision, the other celebrating French republican values through the depiction of Marianne. While its face value is modest, its importance lies in its function and symbolism. For numismatists, historians, and those interested in European integration, this coin offers insight into a time of economic cohesion and cultural expression within the Eurozone. It continues to circulate as a functional piece of currency while also standing as a testament to France's contribution to the European project. Top 2. The 2000 France 5 euro cent coin. Its history, design, technical specifications, context, and numismatic value. This is crafted in long, informative paragraphs for deeper understanding and immersion. Overview and historical context. The 2000 France 5 euro cent coin holds a unique place in the history of European currency, particularly because it predates the physical introduction of the euro in 2002. Although the euro currency officially entered circulation on January 1, 2002, euro coins and banknotes were minted and prepared in advance to ensure a smooth transition across participating European Union countries. As such, the year 2000 is one of the pre-circulation dates, meaning that the coin was struck in that year but not released to the public until 2002. These pre-circulation issues are sometimes referred to as pre-euro introduction coins for France, a founding member of both the European Economic Community and the Eurozone. This was a momentous step. The 2000 dated coins represent France's commitment to the unified European currency and to deeper political and economic integration. While not rare in terms of mintage, the 2000 dated issues carry historical weight as part of the preparation for one of the largest currency changes in modern history. Design and national identity. Like all euro coins, the France 5 euro cent coin from 2000 features a dual design system, a common European reverse and a national obverse unique to the issuing country. The reverse of the coin, designed by Luc Louix of the Royal Belgian Mint, is standard for all 5-cent coins in the Eurozone. It features a stylized globe in the bottom right, highlighting Europe in relation to the rest of the world. This globe is crossed by 6 parallel lines, intersected by 12 stars, symbolizing the European Union. The lines and stars give the impression of movement, reflecting the dynamism of the EU as a growing political and economic force. The number 5 dominates the left side, with euro cent inscribed below it. The obverse, however, is where France's individual cultural and political identity is expressed. The design was created by Fabien Courchiade, a designer with the Monnaie de Paris, and it showcases Marianne, one of France's most iconic national symbols. Marianne is the embodiment of the French Republic, liberty, and reason. On the coin, she appears in profile, wearing a Phrygian cap, the historical symbol of liberty since the French Revolution. Her facial features are elegant and stylized, and her hair flows freely, giving a sense of forward momentum and youthfulness. Surrounding her are the 12 stars of the European Union, arranged in a circle to symbolize unity among nations. To the right of her image are the initials RF, standing for République Française, and beneath that is the date, 2000. The mint mark of the Monnaie de Paris, typically a cornucopia, and the engraver's mark are subtly placed within the design. Technical specifications. The 2000 France 5 euro cent coin is minted from copper-plated steel, a cost-effective and durable material that provides the coin with its distinctive reddish color. The use of copper-plated steel also ensures high resistance to wear and corrosion, making the coin ideal for long-term circulation. The coin has a mass of 3.92 grams, a diameter of 21.25 millimeters, and a thickness of 1.67 millimeters. It features a smooth edge, which helps distinguish it from coins with milled or reeded edges when handling mixed coins by touch. These specifications are standardized across all Eurozone countries to maintain consistency in weight, size, and feel. Because the euro coin system was designed to be compatible across all member states, this uniformity is essential for use in vending machines, coin sorters, and ATMs across Europe. Circulation and purpose. Although dated 2000, this coin did not enter public circulation until January 1, 2002, when euro coins and banknotes officially replaced national currencies like the French franc. From 1999 onward, the euro was used in non-cash transactions and electronic banking, but no physical coins or notes were yet available to the public. The French Mint, along with other Eurozone mints, began producing euro coins in the late 1990s and early 2000s to build up sufficient supply for the Big Bang of January 2002. These predated coins were used in starter kits distributed to the public, businesses, and banks in late 2001 to help facilitate the transition. As such, the 2005 cent coin, while not rare, is considered part of the pre-launch production. Its primary role was logistical and transitional, allowing both the mint and the public to prepare for the euro era. Mintage and availability. Millions of 5 euro cent coins dated 2000 were minted by the Monnaie de Paris, and they were intended for general circulation. Therefore, they are not rare and are commonly found in euro coinage today, especially in older coin rolls, starter kits, and change from early 2000 circulation. However, proof versions and uncirculated coins were also minted and distributed in special collector sets. These were issued in official euro starter kits or annual mint sets, often sold in attractive packaging and targeted at collectors, euro enthusiasts, and institutions. While the circulation version has little to no premium above face value unless in pristine condition, proof coins, which are struck with specially polished dies and blanks, can be of numismatic interest and carry moderate value depending on condition, demand, and packaging. Numismatic significance from a collector's point of view. The 2000 France 5 euro cent coin is primarily valued for its historical and transitional context rather than its rarity or metal content. It represents a tangible artifact from the preparatory phase of the euro's introduction, a period of immense economic and political change in Europe. For collectors building a complete euro coin collection by year and country, the 2000 dated coins are an essential part of the story. The coin's artistic design, especially the depiction of Marianne, adds national character and elegance to what is often considered a mundane denomination. Its value on the secondary market is typically modest unless in high-grade uncirculated or proof condition. Occasionally, error coins or coins with minting anomalies, such as off-center strikes or die cracks, might fetch higher interest and value among specialists. Conclusion. In essence, the 2000 France 5 euro cent coin is much more than just a piece of metal with low monetary value. It's a symbol of a pivotal transformation in European and French economic history, a bridge between the French franc and the euro. Though it wasn't circulated until 2002, its 2000 date marks it as part of the vital groundwork for the Eurozone's launch. The national side, featuring Marianne, reflects French ideals of liberty and civic virtue, while the European side emphasizes unity and global presence. Technically uniform but artistically unique, this coin plays an important role in both commerce and numismatics. Whether you're a historian, a collector, or simply someone with an interest in European integration, the 2000 France 5 cent coin offers a fascinating glimpse into the beginning of a new monetary era. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe on my channel for more videos.